Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coins Collection. Today, we're taking a closer look at a small yet intriguing piece of South African numismatic history, this coin 5-cent coin from the year 2002. This tiny copper-plated steel coin holds more than just face value. For collectors around the world, it can be a prized treasure, especially when rare varieties and minting errors come into play. The 5-cent coin issued in South Africa in 2002 was part of the third decimal series. It features a well-known design that reflects the nation's deep cultural and natural heritage. Like most South African coins, it was minted by the South African Mint Company, which has produced the country's official currency since the early 20th century. The obverse of the coin showcases the South African coat of arms, which was redesigned and introduced in 2000. This side of the coin includes the name of the country in one of the official languages, depending on the version. There are 11 official languages in South Africa, and different coins were minted with different language variants. This is one of the unique features that attracts collectors to these coins. On the reverse, the 5-cent coin depicts the Strelitzia flower, more commonly known as the bird of paradise flower. This elegant plant represents growth and development and is rendered beautifully in the coin's engraving. The number 5 and the word cent also appear prominently on this side, clearly indicating its denomination. The 2002 edition was struck in copper-plated steel, giving the coin a reddish-brown color. It is quite light in weight, and its small size made it a common everyday piece of currency for small transactions. However, the general use of these coins means they often suffered from wear, making uncirculated or mint condition examples more desirable today. What really brings excitement to this coin is the possibility of rare mint errors. Some collectors have reported variants with doubling effects, misaligned dies, or even off-center strikes. These error coins, especially when authenticated, can fetch a high price on the collector's market. Rarity and condition are two major factors that influence a coin's value, and the 2002 5-cent is no exception. In recent years, this coin has started to gain more attention, particularly from international collectors looking for undervalued gems from Africa. It's no longer just pocket change. Coins with sharp details, clean surfaces, and no signs of circulation are considered highly collectible. These are usually graded by professional coin grading services, and the top-tier examples are kept in protective slabs. For those of you wondering about value, here's the big news. An exceptionally rare mint error 5-cent coin from 2002, in uncirculated condition with official certification, has been estimated in private collector circles to be worth up to $3 million. Yes, you heard that right, $3 million. These coins are not just valuable for their metal, but for their story, rarity, and place in South Africa's evolving monetary history. However, it's important to note that not every 2002 5-cent coin will reach this value. Most will be worth a few cents to a couple of dollars depending on their condition. But if you find one with visible error markings, no signs of wear, and perfect preservation, it might be worth getting it examined by a professional. Who knows? You could be holding a small fortune. Always store your coins carefully. Avoid cleaning them, as this can reduce their value dramatically. Use cotton gloves when handling, and keep them in acid-free holders or plastic coin capsules. This kind of care not only protects the coin but preserves its full potential as a collectible asset. Many collectors are now turning their eyes to coins from developing nations, where the minting process wasn't always as tightly controlled as in Western countries. This creates the opportunity for unusual and rare variants to exist, just like the 2002 5-cent from South Africa. If you enjoy coin hunting, this is a perfect addition to your search list. That's all for today's episode on the rare and fascinating 2002 South African 5-cent coin history. If you have one in your collection, take a closer look. You might be holding something truly special. Thanks for watching Old Coins Collection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any hidden coin gems we reveal next. Until next time, happy collecting.